not it.
I think I made a mistake. I didn't see the turn. Gotta do a U-turn down there somewhere.
Dave and I were looking for the Ngao Waterfall. We think that's how you say it anyway. It's further on down the road. You have to kind of drive out of the area where the hot springs are and take a left. And they said, what, 2 kilometers down?
No, it was 2 kilometers, which ended up bringing us to the main road. And then they said it was 4 kilometers down, which was about 3. But there was a sign, but we didn't see the road.
Yeah.
Not a lot of water coming down it, but there is water coming down it.
Yeah, it's up in there.
That's where we're going.
Okay, U-turn and see this big blue sign.
Right here?
You're gonna turn in here because there is the sign for the waterfall.
All right.
Look at that.
And there's the
Straight up
waterfall in
ahead.
front of us.
Yeah.
Hello, Swaddy Car.
เดี๋ยวคะ
Ticket.
มาจากโคลัง มาจากโคลังไหมอันนี้เดี๋ยวโชว์ทิกเก็ตด้วยนะคะ อันนี้นะคะ โชว์ด้วยนะคะ
โอเค
โชว์ทิกเก็ต
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Well, Dave and I just totally had no idea what she was telling us for a second there.
So we handed her the ticket. She looked really confused.
Yeah.
And then she said something about Naka. Then she said show Naka. So I think that means we're going to show the ticket up here.
Okay.
And we said yes. Oh, parking. I am imagining we're going to park right here, honey.
All right.
And, well, this is the way. Yeah, we have to walk in and show the ticket. That's what it is. Okay?
Yep. Okay, here's our entrance. We're going to take a look at this map here as well. See what we get on here. Essentially a map of the park. I don't see anything specific. It's just kind of viewpoints and things that are going to bring us around, up and around. So we'll take a walk in there. The pathway is nice, huh, Dave?
Pathway, super nice.
It is so pretty in here. So pretty. Big trees. And just so lush. So I'm not sure if you can see, but let's see if I can get my finger in here. Right up there, that is waterfall up there, and it comes all the way down and heads down, of course, to this section here. There hasn't been a lot of rain lately, so I'm not surprised that this waterfall isn't overflowing right now with volume.
Read, though, it's year-round.
Yeah?
This is year-round. A lot more when it's rainy season.
Yeah.
But it never dries up.
Wow, it's so cool. And the water comes from underground, right, Dave?
I imagine so, yeah.
Yeah. Neat.
Hey,
Yeah?
come over.
What?
Do you like surprises?
I do.
It's a surprise.
You got it backwards. So check it out. Looks like they made a dam here. And the dam is made out of like bamboo and rocks. That's neat. Dave's found a pathway up to that little bridge over there. I don't know what he's seeing. What is it, Dave? Anything? Just a view? Do you hear me? He doesn't hear me. What was that?
I had some critter on my hand.
So last stop of the day is going to be in these beautiful hills, possibly for sunset. And I think also, now that we're done here, Dave, I think there's something else we must do. Do you know what that might entail?
She's got to go to the toilet. There's a toilet right there.
No.
Oh, then I have no idea what it must entail.
Ice cream.
Here?
Somewhere.
Oh, I thought you meant right here, right now.
All right, so we are going to go to this viewpoint hill here. It says to put it in low gear.
I'm in low gear.
Yep, I think,
We have a diesel,
yeah, this diesel can handle
a
it.
turbo diesel. Oh, this is nothing. Honey, look at this power. I'm not sure our other car would have liked it as much.
No,
Oh, pretty steep hill though, huh?
it is a steep hill. All right, our viewpoint is also a helicopter pad. I see you. Let's see what we get up here. Ooh, lots of hills.
I believe that's where our day's ending, right over there, Kim.
Ah,
That
okay.
brown spot.
Where these hills are, which is unusual for this area because you can see we're surrounded by mostly jungle and trees and stuff, but that's supposed to be a really nice spot, especially around sunset time, so we're going to head over there afterwards. Wow, look at all those pretty trees.
Yeah.
Really pretty out here. Dave, I have found puppies.
Puppies.
Meet the puppies? What you guys doing? Hi. Hi, guys.
Look what we found. Come here, puppy.
Hi.
I want that one.
Cute you are.
This one.
I know. Hi. Hi.
Tell me you don't want that one right there.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Come here.
Mama just took off. Look at.
Come on, guys. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, guys. Oh, you're so cute. Hi.
Come here.
You guys need food. We need treats.
They're shy.
They are shy, but they're cute.
They're not scared,
No.
but they're shy. The
Here
mother
they
just
come.
brought the trash down there.
Oh, yeah.
And they're bringing the trash back up. I think there's more puppies here somewhere.
Yeah, they look like their moms too, huh? Where are all your babies? Huh? Dave and I are at Phu Khao Ya.
Stands for
And-
grassy fields or something.
Yeah,
On a
and
mountain.
on a mountain, and look at the grassy fields. Hold on. Ta-da! And that's where we're headed because we're gonna sit in that area, I guess, for sunset. However,
We're not going to be here for sunset.
look at the sun. It's way the heck up there. We're not gonna be here for sunset. It was a good thought.
You know.
Yeah, that one licked my hand too. How cute. It is so pretty here though, I will say that. These hills. Dave,
Yes.
you just said to me we're here and we don't have to walk all the way up that hill.
But we should go up a little bit to get a little of the expansive views.
Yeah,
We didn't come all the way here not to go up that hill.
I guess you're right. I think you have a hill aversion.
What are you talking about? I love going uphill. My knees don't like coming downhill.
Yeah,